Not the obvious. Let me get my drawing tool, because if I draw on here, it's gonna make all the other drawings come back. So I got a special tool for you guys. This one. So I can draw on this. Watch this. We're gonna use yellow. So yeah, I do see that we're above here. I definitely do see that. Not blind. So it's easy to say, oh, we think price is gonna continue up. Is that an eraser? What the heck? It's easy to say we think price is gonna continue up and fill out this area, right? That's the easiest thing to say. But just because it's the easiest thing to say doesn't mean that that's necessarily what's gonna happen, right? You gotta remember, this is our first time closing above this area. So it doesn't necessarily have to be the time that we go. Okay, remember, the market's not going to do what you want it to do, or the market's not going to do what looks nice. The market's going to do whatever the market came here to do. So as far as saying, oh yeah, we're going to go up today, I don't know. There's not enough information. There really isn't. Not enough information right now. Now, let's put this down towards the 1 hour. As you can see, if we go back and we draw out, whoops, I got the eraser out by accident. If we go back and we draw out this position, where are we at? We got above it, and now we're coming back down to it, right? So, like I said, just because we got above it doesn't mean that's where we're going today. So right now, we're not really in a position to be deciding based on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Because as you guys know, it's fake out city on higher time frames. You can see right here, we spiked these highs. We closed above, we created a support, spiked these highs. We still didn't go nowhere, right? It's fake out city. So you got to learn how to take things slow by slow. You don't have to necessarily come up here and have a full-on analysis and be ready to go. It's not like that every day. Sometimes, some days are like that, but it's not like that every day. So yeah, right now we see prices in this uptrend, and it's currently pulling back. You know, we have to say pullback because we don't know if it's coming down yet. Right? Just take it for what it is. It's currently pulling back here. So I'm going to take it for what it is. So now when we zoom in a little bit more, let's scope out this a little bit more. We're below here. Right? If we continue to create a resistance here, it's possible that pullback will continue to be a little longer. Why? Well, that's what a pullback is. That's what a pullback is. And we have this beautiful structure here to go off of as well. You know, if you're going for a pullback, you can target these lows in here. Now the question though is that enough? Yeah, it's over 100 points, like 140 points. Now as far as taking a buy here, well, I gotta see. It depends. I gotta see. Buys may be a little bit more dangerous than sells today. So let's continue down. We'll see, this looks like a reversal pattern. So yeah, we'll see where price goes. Right now, just let it move around. You know, you don't have to come up here and boom, know exactly where it's going. That's just not realistic. Some days you will. I will say, whoever got into this sell-off here, this sell-off was pretty simple. They were a little nice this morning, huh? 180 points. 180. That's crazy. I'm curious where this 5-minute is on the moving average, because I imagine on a moving average, we're looking at this, that this swooped below it. So I wonder if this is back above it or not. Let's see. Yeah, see, we swooped below it. Now we're coming back up to it. That's interesting too. Just want to see it. I just wanted to see it. Probably gonna turn these on. Scaling down to the 3-minute here. Good morning, those who just joined us. Good morning to you. Appreciate you so much. Welcome in, welcome in. Good morning. Oh my goodness, I'm hungry. Legit, I am hungry. It's only 6 in the morning. This 3-minute is pumping. Pumping, pumping. Right now I'm just watching the market here. One or two things is happening right now. We're either pulling back to continue up overall, or we are pulling back to come back down, which would be a mini pullback, right? I mean, that's what I'm gonna call it, mini pullback. Wow, look at how that close. Let's see that on the 1 minute. Goodness gracious. This just came up 152 points, ladies and gentlemen. And people always ask me why I'm using minis. Because I'm not an influencer that tries to engage people who have shiny object syndrome. I'm realistic and I'm real. Risk management comes first. Always. Always, always, always risk management first. These candles are doing damage. doing damage. Gotta manage risk. That's what day trading is. You're a risk manager. See this on the 5-minute. Now, if this was a retest to go down, I wish it went up a little bit higher. That's all. It could have went up a little bit higher. That's what's throwing me off about this. This was a retest to come down. Should have came up just a little bit higher. So I don't believe it. Right now, I don't believe it. Don't believe we're coming down just yet. Let's see. This is getting intense. Intense. Come on, Gold. Stop trying to trick people. What is this madness? Trickster this morning. And this is why patience is super important, guys, because a lot of times when you take an impulse move, nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with impulse moves. They're very satisfying when you take them, right? When you win. But they can be very dangerous and more riskier, right? That's the only thing with impulses, of course. But a lot of times when you take an impulse move, I was going to say, as soon as that candle closes, sometimes you're like, dang, if only I would have waited. So just remember, patience is a thing. Okay? Patience is a thing. So while we're waiting in this market, let me get a 111 in the chat. I'd like to do our daily affirmation. By the way, Trump is going to be speaking soon. Got about an hour and 25 minutes till he starts speaking. So just a heads up to you guys today. He will be speaking very, very soon. 111 in your chat. Let's see what we got for you this morning. Today is November 19th. Wow. That was quick. What if the thing you're most afraid of losing is actually what's keeping you stuck? Sometimes freedom looks like letting go. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. You can use this in a lot of different areas in your life, right? I tell you what, guys, anytime something is straining you and stressing you out and just throwing you through loops, that's the devil's energy, you know, that you're meant to be at peace, guys. You're meant to be at peace. You got to learn how to let things go and let people go. The hardest thing for a lot of people is to let people go. You have to understand that if somebody is meant to be in your life for a long time, they will. And sometimes you letting them go is their wake-up call to say, dang, I gotta wake up. And sometimes they do wake up. And then they come back, and then it's all good. But there's people who will never wake up, and too many people are stuck on the potential of what somebody can be, right? You don't want to be stuck on the potential of what somebody can be. What are they presenting to you now? Because that's what they are. Because the thing with energy is people's energy holds you back, even if they're rooting for you. But because you're around that energy, that uneasy energy, you're just like sitting in it, you know? Think about, this is going to be a really bad analogy, but when people have bad attitude and just, it's all, or if something's always negative every day, negative Nancy, right? They're basically shitting everywhere, guys. They are. They're shitting everywhere. And if you're bringing this person to your home, they're shitting in your home. If you're bringing them to your car, they're shitting in your car. They are shitting everywhere. So you may think, oh, well, I'm in a good mindset. I'm working on things. I'm trying to help out this person. But what happens when your dog shits in the house? What happens when you don't clean it up? Just gonna let it sit there? Right? So it's the same thing when you're around people with bad energy. They're shitting everywhere, and you thinking you over here trying to help people, you know, but you're still around shit, and it smells. And now it's getting into your energy. It's intoxicating. It's not for you to clean up. But also, if you are cleaning up somebody who's shitting around you all the time, is that what you want to do? Is that your job? You the shit cleaner? Because last time I checked, you had goals. And you got to put all that energy into goals. We ain't got time to be picking up people's shit. Okay? We barely have enough time to go and chase our goals. Go get discipline, right? So really, really think about this, guys. Just because you feel like you're in a good space and you're turning your life around, it doesn't mean anything. You need to stop being around people who do nothing but shit. Because it's intoxicating and you're around the shit. It's just shit everywhere. It's getting into your energy. The shit chart. Yeah. The shit on the chart. You guys are funny. I player. I had to because that's what's gonna make it stand out, right? You'll really feel the message then. We start putting poop emojis on the chart. But if you get what I'm saying, let me get a 2 in the chat if you get what I'm saying. People's energy holds you back all the time. A lot of times when you finally let go of what you were supposed to let go, new opportunities open up for you. Because you finally learned your damn lesson. Let go. If it's meant to come back, it'll come back. Don't worry about it. Worry about you. You gotta be so... You have to literally be so... How do I say this? What's the word I'm looking for, guys? You have to be within your energy. You gotta be your number one fan, guys. You gotta be your number one fan. Because if you're not your own number one fan, who's gonna be your number one fan? You know? You really have to be. You have to be that person that says, you know what? I gotta protect my energy. Tunnel vision's good. Yeah, you gotta be tunnel vision. And I'll say this. It's easy for us to look at a brother, sister, or our kids, and you can pick out who you don't want your kids around, right? But why can't we do that for ourselves? Right? You go to your kid's school right now and you see who you don't want your kids to be around. You could easily see that. Right? So why can't we do that for ourselves? Think about it. That's just us as human, right? Us as human. Even when we watch movies or TV shows, you could watch a movie or TV show, really get into it and get into the characters, and you could be like, why would she do that? Or why would he do that? Why is she still with him? Why is he still with her? You can pick that apart all day, but when it comes to yourself, oh, hold on now. It's interesting how that works, right? Isn't it interesting how the human brain works? You know, so put yourself first, guys. You got to put yourself first. And part of putting yourself first is protecting your energy. I promise you, people who are meant to be in your life make you smile, make you happy. Their energy just flows with you. It just flows. It's natural. Right? It's natural. We don't have time for distractions. You got enough going on. You got to worry about bills. You got to remember all these different things, all these responsibilities we have when we wake up every single day. You got enough going on. So this is your sign if you're listening to me. I know this message is for somebody specific here today. This is your sign to just let it go. Please, let it go. If you needed a sign, this is your sign. Let it go. It's holding you back. Okay, gold here. Was stuck on potential of what someone could be for the longest time. Finally let it go. July ain't looked back since. W for AB. That's a W. And it's okay, guys. There's nothing to feel bad about, guys. We all do it. We all do it. We all have done it. Okay? But I'm just here to tell you, if you have goals that you want to achieve, it's time to get tunnel visioned. No distractions. Lock in. You know, sometimes locking in is not going out every week. That's alright. But what you can do with your discipline is you could say, okay, every 5 days that I'm disciplined, I'm going to reward myself. I'm going to go out. Or whatever it is that you want. Every 5 days you're disciplined. Go ahead and do that activity that you want to do, right? Or go ahead and buy your favorite drink. You know what I mean? Like, reward yourself. You gotta have a reward system. People who are successful know how to take away the things that they want, and it's called delayed gratification. You gotta have that delayed gratification because you know you're eventually gonna get there, and you know you gotta lock in. Gotta lock in. We're going into 2026, so we're going to be talking a lot about locking in. It's time. No more time wasted. Because the reality is when you look at these things, you could make 600 a day. You can pass an account in 5 days. If you took every A setup possible, if you really think about it, you know, you can. You definitely can. I'm gonna try to go for these cells here. Put my stop loss at the highs. Yo, 240 points. Ain't no way I'm going for that. Hold on. Or am I? Am I? Yeah, I guess that may be. Oh, maybe a little higher. Maybe a little higher. Maybe 200 on the dot. 200 on the dot. Well, I guess that'll be 40.95. 40.95. See this on the 5 minute. Hello, welcome to the Elite membership. I see you there. Needed this, no problem. Still waters. Following your 30K plan has given me a new perspective on my trading, so thank you. Yeah, no problem. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, I'm going to be making some updates to that plan. I want to have a free version for you guys to download, and then I'm going to have a members version. Right now, the members have it. But yeah, I'm working on revising it a bit. I want to make it clearer for you to follow, that's all. Or actually, you know what? No, we're going to keep it members only, just because the members, you know, the members been rocking with us, man. The members deserve it. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Come on, come on, come on. Where's the 30K plan? What I was going to say was, you guys can literally, you all here can make $600. $600 5 days in a row is literally passing a challenge. Another 5 days in a row, literally you make the buffer. That's 2 weeks. Like, really just think about this. You can lock in and get this shit done in 2 weeks and get it paid $1,000 per account. You have 5 accounts. That's 5K in 2 weeks. So it's time to lock in. TP1 is 100 points. On chat, if I'm being, ooh, I don't like that 1 hour. Maybe I'm being a little too ambitious with my TP. Oh, look at the 30-minute candle. Okay, I didn't know the 30-minute flipped. Still though, she being choppy as hell. The chop of the century. Should I hold it? Snipe of the century is about to go down here. The TP1's 94 points. Gotta make it 100 points. Let me make it 100 points. TP1. TP2 will make 200 points. Fuck that. TP2 is TP12, right? Let me know in the chat. TP12?
Yeah, look, I was passive aggression, passive aggressiveness. I left them hanging like
3 days in a row, 100-point trades.
Go ahead, say it then. Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT?
It's got to be like 70 points. 69. 69 points. Can't tell because the risk is so small because of how much you have to risk. Bleed. So yeah, I was telling you guys, you can literally get this done in 2 weeks. So you got all year next year, right? Really think about that. You can get it done in 2 weeks. You literally have all of next year. So what you gonna do about it? Right? What we doing? What we doing? We're probably gonna have a nasty pullback, huh? We gonna have a nasty pullback? I ain't holding no nasty pullback. I'm in and I'm out. Cause this is, it just looks so chopped on a higher time frame, I'm curious if this is gonna be a smooth ride or we chop this around and take 10 years to go. Because Trump is gonna be speaking in about 45 minutes. Trump is gonna be speaking. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. We're in the hundreds. If we go above 110, I'm out. It's not even 110. Where are we at? 108? Yeah, I'm gonna take that money. I'm gonna take that money, and then I'm gonna take a look at this again because I just feel like they're gonna chop this around before we actually make a bigger move. The reason why is because this is our first time moving down. We just moved down 130 something points. It's quite the amount of points. See. Let's see how they treat this area. And as you can see on the 5 minute, the 5 minute is already up 34 points. May even pump a little more. See how I feel about it. Now that I got a cushion, I may just get back in with a smaller risk than what I had. And I don't know. I can risk the profits that I made actually. Could. I think I will. I'm gonna take a risk. May take a risk at risking what I already made, then some. Right now we're just playing around though, so. Go ahead and play around, Gold. Told you I sense something here in the market. Sensed something. Let's see. Come on, I'm about to say, come on, Nasdaq. Come on, gold. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I got out at the perfect time. Would have been back up to entry now. Your senses are tingling. I knew it. It's just sometimes you got to know where those pockets are sitting, and that's it's a spot where buyers are gonna sit. So let's see what happens here. Are the buyers strong enough is the question. Got 70 points out of that, or 72 points. So the nice little fall. I feel like it could fall overall, but I just feel like they may just make this extra as hell just to come down. We'll see though. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, so this is the 30K plan for the members. I already went through this stream. You guys can click on live streams and check this out yourself. You click on goal check. You can check off your goals. You can go week by week, literally giving you 3 weeks to finish challenges. So you have more than enough time. Just take your time, do 1 trade a week. I mean, not 1 trade a week, I'm sorry, 1 trade a day. 1 trade a day, take your time. Certainly if you follow this, you can get it done in 12 weeks. And this is with taking your time. So you can do it in 12 weeks. I had another plan where you could do it in 26 weeks, but you can certainly do it in less than 12 weeks as well. But this is just realistic. This is just telling you, just go for $300. You can do it. You get 30K in 12 weeks. Can't make this up. Just doing real risk management, being very strategic, being very disciplined, sticking to rules, choosing the A+ setups. The discipline pays off. It pays off. And that's for the members, and it is in the Discord. Remember, I got a free trading journal dashboard for you too. Those of you who join the Discord, you can download that free trading journal dashboard. It is past 9 o'clock right now, and yeah, gold's being gold. Let me go over to Nasdaq. And it is chopping the hell around. Of course it is. What else would it be doing right now when Trump is going to be speaking very, very soon? The chop of hell. What the heck is this? Oh, I don't really like this. Ooh, jeez. It's a nasty one. Wow. Wow, this is wow. I mean, just look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute is telling you more than enough here. The chop is crazy. Goodness gracious. All right, back over to gold. We'll come back over to Nasdaq, but that was ridiculous. Let's see this on the 15-minute. Wow, so that candle closed as a doji. Wow. All right, that's the new 15-minute candle. Look at this range. We're back in this range. Nasty. Can't even like grasp it. But it's such a... We're literally back in this range, right? Glad I took my TP at 72 points. My goodness. And you know, chat, you have to be complacent with that, right? Even if trade had potential, that's all right. It could be another setup. You know, when you're focused on the money and you're like, oh my God, that's not enough, then that's when things start going sideways, right? Don't focus on the money, focus on the setup. I will always tell you that. See this on the 15-minute. If we make a top wick here, and come down, I mean, give this another go, just because I got a good cushion to risk pretty good on this. Good cushion. I say a 40.95 out here. Come on, gold. What are we doing? What are we doing? Good morning, those of you just now coming in. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's having a great morning. Market's got some attitude this morning. That's okay. Gotta handle it accordingly. Markets don't want to move. They're on break. All right, there we go. There we go. Come on, Nasdaq. I mean, Nasdaq. Come on, gold. Oh my goodness. It's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Honestly ridiculous. Oh wait, why did I turn that off? Gotta be kidding me. Gold, what are we doing, Gold? Make up your mind. Let's make a decision. Whenever they're waiting for 9:30. 9:30's in 18 minutes. Wow. Look at this candle pump. Good morning, those of you just coming in. Good morning, good morning. Got one W for the day so far. If you're just now joining us. 72 points on gold. Making us work for it this morning. Market opening in about 17 minutes. Okay, there we go. Back above these highs here. At a level at 41.24. Possibly we'll see some continuation towards that area now. About 49 points away. Oh wait, we didn't break these highs. I'm sorry, we didn't break these highs. Hold on. We didn't break these highs. I said we broke these highs. We did not break these highs. Hold your horses. If we can touch that high, then I think we're gonna fly to there. About 15 points away. Tuh. Talk about touching highs. We ain't touching no high. Here we go with the retracement. Ay, ay, ay. Gotta be kidding me. We're all over the place, guys. We're all over. Okay, let's see. What a sell-off there from the top of that. 47 points, even though it doesn't look like it. 47 points. Wait, so this just had buys, but Nasdaq was selling off. Interesting. Okay. It can come down a little further in Nasdaq. But we do have 9:30 opening coming up in about 12 minutes. Very, very soon. So I think I'm gonna wait for the opening here on Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the opening, but gold seems as though it's caught itself taking some buys. Can't take these markets serious. Holy. Guys, I'm gonna be on the Discord voice chat, so if you want to join me this morning on the Discord voice chat, you are welcome to talk to me there. Again, I am in the Discord voice chat. I'll put the link in the chat for you. Okay, there you go. Link's right there in the chat if you guys want to join me in the voice chat. Oh, there we go. Thank you, 7. That was a link to the actual voice. Wow, this still can go down though. Look at it. We're still with, like I said, we're still within these highs. So, I mean, this candle can literally flip bearish and have a time of its life driving down here. Crazy, huh? Could go either way in this range. Either way. All right, we're gonna go over to Nasdaq and watch this at the opening here. Or should we go back over to gold? Hold on. Ooh, see, look at the 15-minute now. Wow. If that's a top wick on the hourly, can definitely do some damage. I'm so caught up on gold, chat. I'm so damn caught up on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. We got a cushion on the day. I don't mind. I say 2095. I said, oh, 2095 is up here. Thinking 96 though. 96. $150 points. Oh no. Right here. It's a little further down. 6.1. All right. So TP1 is ideally what I would like to hit. Anything after that, it's just a treasure chest today. $9:30 coming up in 6 minutes. Oh, wait, we may go a little bit lower down here too. I am looking in this area. That right? Yeah, we'll keep that there. So it's looking like on the hourly, beautiful. Well, again, already up on the day, so don't mind risking that. Plus, I know I'm a risk because I think this has good potential here. Make it to TP1, the overachieving today then. Be W number 2 on the day. W number 2. Do the split chart so you can watch GC Nas. Yeah, you know, I'm so bipolar with that. I'll do it sometimes and then I'll get tired of it and I just want like a full screen. But yeah, I get what you're saying. Sometimes I do it. I think we could dump at 9:30. Oh my goodness. I gotta stand up for this one. Every time we get to this area, we freaking bounce. Every damn time. Every damn time, right? I'm trying to draw it. Let's see, is that a good angle? Yeah, more, maybe it's more like this. Every damn time. I look a little off. This look a little better. So really gotta hold this area. What is this area? Is this like a... No. It's gotta be a VWAP area or something. Gotta be something. Where my VWAP? Let me see something. Ah, I knew it. I'm like, it's gotta be something because this is just too damn specific that we bounce here. VWAP is all the way down here. Wait, how much is that? 190 points? Well, we could be going down to VWAP. Imagine that. Like I said, we hit TP1. We're overachieving. Looking for W number 2 on the day. Oh shit! Oh shit! Looking for W number 2. We smashed. Hey, Seven. Good morning.
How you doing?
Great. I'm about to hit W number 2 and overachieve today.
Yeah, I see it. I've got it on the TV. It's looking good now, isn't it?
Yeah. Only thing is 9:30 is coming, so it may act a little extra. It's the only thing.
Oh shit! 30 seconds or so. Yeah.
Oh, it's in 30 seconds. Whoa, 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 wait, whoa. Oh, it is in 30 seconds. Yo, I thought it was in like 5 minutes.
No,
I'm not even paying attention. Oh shit! Here we go. Make or break it. Here we go. Oh shit, chat. Here it comes. Here it comes. 10 seconds. Close your eyes and sell. Close your eyes and sell. Let's see. This is about to be the retest of a lifetime. There we go. TP1 was smacked. Again. W number 2. Thank you, Nitty. W number 2. Okay, chat. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to trail at TP1. What is that? 106. We're going to trail at TP1. $800. Oh, we got to take some of that. All right, we're going to take that money. We're going to take that money. That's overachieving today, guys. We're overachieving. Happy with that. We cool. 2 dubs. That's a lot of points. Jeez. Patience, guys. You see how that was a lot of patience. A lot of patience. Let's go over to Nasdaq. Let's get those W's going for W number 2 on the day. Over 100 points called live on stream. That is 3 days in a row, 100-point trades. 3 days in a row.
Every day this week, mate.
Yeah. Every day this week. Chat, I'm gonna need some W's in the chat. I need you guys to get hyped in the chat. I'm gonna need some fire in the chat. Let's go ahead and celebrate that win. Let's celebrate it. Back to back to back to back 100-point trades. The heck is Nasdaq doing? Well, no, I could see it going down. I did say I think it's gonna go down more. But how far? How far? Oh, look at that top wick. Oh, this may tank. Uh-oh. But you know how they do. They take 10 years to do a move. It's not likely to just come straight down, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll be right back, guys. Give me like 30 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I need some breakfast. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Tuh. Blink once, it'll change directions. Jeez. No mercy.
There's someone in here that passed their eval, by the way, Mr.
Oh, somebody oh, wait. Did I miss that?
It's when we all dropped W's and what, it slipped up quick, so it got bypassed.
Oh,
Just
congratulations on passing. Let's get a W in the chat for passing.
Passed his 50k eval in 4 days.
Let's go. Great job. Thank you, Seven. It's awesome. 4 days. Very nice. Very nice. On your way to the money. Halfway there. You rinse and repeat. Oh my goodness. Nasdaq.
Wow.
1 hour just flipped bullish.
Wow.
Say goodbye if you were in a sell. Hope
Quite the candle,
hope
though.
all these influencers with their minis are actually going to start using stop losses going into 2026 instead of just engagement farming. None of these people use stop losses, A7, and they trade minis
No, crazy,
with
innit?
these crazy moves. Yeah. It's all for the clicks. All for the clicks. But you know what? We can't blame them. We can only blame the audience. I mean, that's
Yeah, that's true as well, eh? That's true as well, man.
yeah. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Take off like a rocket.
She's pushing.
Oh. Did you install that fishing game we tried to play yesterday? I forgot to
think
uninstall it.
I might have done, yeah, because I'm on limited space on my laptop here.
I was like, that game gotta go. Wait, that means gold is going up. Hold on. Oh my goodness.
Go on,
GG's.
go on.
GG's on this rangy day. Oh yeah, GG's. What I would say is to either A, take a look at the market later on in the afternoon, like late afternoon, or B, the best thing you can do is call it a day, whether you trade it or not. Because you gotta think about it. If you can't call it a day, what's gonna make you call it a day? Right? Yeah, like ping pong. Jeez. I would call it here. And also Trump is getting ready to speak in about 30 minutes. A little less than 30 minutes. Oh no, about 30 minutes. So we got that going on too. So I would call it not gonna be a part of these shenanigans. If you're in the green today, take the money. If you're at break even, take the break even day. Break even is still a W. Okay. And if you're in the red, take a smaller red day. No need to, when when you're trying to get back to break even because you're in the red on the day, you want to do that when the market's behaving pretty well. You don't want to try to make that money back when the market's not behaving at its best. Right? Because now your probability is low. You get what I'm saying, chat? Let me get a 3 in the chat if you get what I'm saying. And as the risk manager, because you guys are all managers, you have to take that into consideration. Right? That's what makes you great at what you do. It's because you're able to make those decisions. It's really just discipline. Because the only battle you have is you want to make money. If we couldn't make money from trading, and if we weren't able to withdraw it, and if it was just a game, yeah, it may be an addicting game, but you guys would find it easier to be disciplined. But the fact that we can actually withdraw money from these markets, that's the part that's got your mind spiraling, right? That's what's making it be a tough decision for you, if you think about it. So take money out of the equation, and remember, you are a risk manager. You are a technical analyst. You wear many hats, right? Even if you don't have a LLC yet, or a S Corp, or whatever you're going to do with trading, doesn't mean you don't have a business. Your business is in the startup phase, right? You all have a business if you're trying to trade. It's just a startup phase. Okay? So when we're in the startup phase, we want to make sure we're making the best decision possible. When you guys build a house, you want the blueprint, not the blueprint, I'm sorry. You want the foundation to be strong, right? So we want you guys to build a strong foundation, because the point is to make money but keep making money. Who cares about gambling and getting a check and then a couple years later, then what? Now what? Right? You want to forever make money, not temporary get some win high and then a year and a half you're back to searching for a job, or a year and a half you're just struggling. This skill can fund your vacations for the rest of your life. You want to go to Hawaii, go to Hawaii. Withdraw your trading money. You ain't got to take out of your regular money. You want to go to Fiji, go to Fiji. You want to go to Australia, go to Australia. You want to buy a new house? Well, trading could give you that money to get that dream house you want. You want to buy that dream car? Trading could give you that money to get you that dream car, right? So, it's not all about being full-time. I don't think full-time is so much as a flex as what people think. because you don't have a guaranteed check. You still have to figure out other incomes. But it's the fact that this can open up doors for you, opportunities for you. It could be savings, it could be investments. You can buy a business with your trading money. Like I said, dream car, dream house. You can pay your rent with trading, right? There's so much you can do. You can pay off your debt with trading. Like, there's so many benefits to it. So take advantage. Hey, so remember you, since you have 5K subs, you were a hell of a motivator. Cheers. Thank you. I appreciate you. You were here when I had 5K subs. Oh shit! Oh shit! Wow. That was a long time ago, huh?
Where's new?
Dang. Chat, does anybody else remember how many subs I had when you subscribed to the channel? Let's see something. I don't know if they're going to remember. Dang. Speaking of that, where are we at with subs now? We're on the road to 75K. We're getting closer and closer every week. Let's see where it is now. We are at 74,643. Wow. So close. We're working our way up. Jeez. How many more we got to go? 357? Yeah, 357 more to go. So tell your grandma, tell your grandpa, tell your auntie, your uncle, all your cousins, your first cousin, second cousin, your third cousin that you never talked to before. Time to pick up that phone. Tell everybody. Tell your partner, tell your mom, tell your dad. Tell them sub up. Come on, we almost there. We can do it. See. Yeah, guys, since we're gonna call it here, I think we'll cut the stream here. Any game ideas, A7? I was gonna try to look on
I thought about it today, to be honest.
Steam.
Did mean to have a look at some point there. Do some research.
They said Fall Guys, but Fall Guys. You gotta be in the mood to play Fall Guys, you know? You gotta, like. The game is so annoying. I'm over here trying to uninstall that Fishing Planet thing.
Yeah, I think I did it.
I'm doing it while I'm on stream. I don't know if that's a bad idea. Think the stream's gonna cut out?
Nah, I wouldn't have thought so.
Oh, did it uninstall? That was quick. Ew, get it out of my library. Wait, why is it still here in the list? What the heck? No. Why is it still there in the list? Secret laboratory contest? What's that? Is this free or not? Looking for free games only. There goes Nasdaq. Holy. Took off. Wow. Yeah. Oh, is Counter-Strike free? I see a lot of people playing Counter-Strike.
I think so. That's that, like, COD equivalent type thing, isn't it?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's free?
I think it's
A7. You want to play Counter-Strike?
I could try.
Remember when you were with my Forex funds at the time? I was never with them. I used them. I was never with them. What the heck is this? Wait, how many gigabytes is this game? 85. Are you fucking shit? 85 storage?
Mine says 55.
55?
say
Oh,
on-
it says that I need 85 storage.
Is that on the store page, isn't it? Oh yeah, it does. Once you add it to your library, it only says 55.
This person says, unfortunately, the game went to the point where it's unplayable. I stopped playing ranks months ago after seeing how your rank system is useless. Yo. What in the world? Please do something for the cheaters. These comments are hilarious. This game is pain. Wow. This game is pain.
I think it's what all the sweats play. I think all the sweats play Counter-Strike.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if I want to download something where I need 80 freaking gigabytes. Like, what the heck? That's
So you're
weird.
good, install,
Yeah, nah, I'm not doing that. But also, like, I get annoyed when games have that file. Like, if you're not Call of Duty or GTA, like, no. Oh, the only two games I'll take up my money for.
a lot of
Sons,
the games I have.
Sons
they
of the
don't have,
Forest looks insane, but I don't know if I can play this on stream.
I've got the first one, The Forest.
You
I own
do?
the first one. I own the first one.
Is it multiplayer? 'Cause it looks like...
Yes, yes it is. You can play multiplayer. That was going to be one. I was going to write you a DM at some point today saying, here, go and look at this game. In case you're interested, I already own it.
It's called The Forest?
Yeah, yeah, the first one's called The Forest.
Oh, so I'm looking at the second one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, hold on.
I don't think the
Forest.
second one's much different to the first
It
one. I think it's
says Sons of the Forest, so I don't know if that's the second one or if someone just
Yeah,
made
no,
a different
that's the-
version.
That's the second one. Sons of the Forest is the second one.
Oh my goodness. Wait, when did you buy this game?
I bought it years ago when it was in early access when they were still making it.
Yo, Black Friday? Black Friday, come on.
Well, that starts tomorrow. If you chuck it in your watch list, then you'll get a notification if it goes on sale.
It's VR supported?
Yo,
Oh, wait, this
terrifying
game
in VR,
looks
mate.
cool.
I tried it in VR as well. When them monsters come running at you in the night time and shit, it's like, yo!
Oh
It's crazy.
no. Wait, how
No,
much
it's-
do
it's
I
like
need
a-
available?
Like a horror survival game. It's pretty good actually.
Wait, I only need 5 gigabytes?
Find it in my library.
Oh, memory 4 gigabyte RAM, storage 5 gigabyte. I only need 5 gigabyte space. Ooh, chat, we might have found something, chat. Y'all said it. Someone said play a scary game yesterday. One of y'all said that. These graphics look good too. What the heck? Graphics like this for a 5 gig game?
Oh,
What?
it's only 5 gig. Yeah, you're right. It's only 5 gig.
Okay,
the
guys, let
graphics
me give you guys a
I'm playing it, mate.
I should give them a preview, huh?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
So I
It's
guess
pretty
we
much
get
the-
into a plane crash and then we have to survive, guys.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Have you ever beat the game? Or you
I
stopped
think
playing?
so. No, I think I did beat it. Yeah.
So like somebody picks us up? What the Yo, what is this? Oh, what's the name for that when you squeeze through caves like that? There's a name for it.
There is, yeah.
I was watching that Naked and Afraid the other day. She called it something, and I was like, oh, that's what it's called.
Yeah, I know what it is as well, but I've forgotten now you've asked me. Shit.
And when she said that it was the only thing that led to the other side to go down, I was like, she knows her shit. So is that true though? Like usually those lead you. Sometimes when you get caught, you have to go through those to get to the other side, I guess.
Possibly, I mean, like that lady said, a lot of the holes in the ground, they just go down. They just go deeper into the earth.
Ah. Wait, so do we have like a tent and stuff? Like, are we gonna set up like camp?
Yeah, you have to build like your own little camp and defend it. The more you build, the more enemies come and attack you and shit. It's pretty crazy.
Oh, but we can't play together.
Yeah, you can. It is multiplayer. Or co-op even.
Oh, yeah, how come I don't see it? Oh, I just see open world.
I played it with someone, so I know it's I know what it's called. Let me just check the still page.
Should I get this game? I'm actually tempted to buy it. You down to play?
Hold on a minute. I have to shut the service down because it does only say single player on the store page.
Is it? It could be because of the newer game.
That's what I'm wondering.
People's reviews kill me sometimes. Jeez. The Forest Quartet? What? What is that? Not horrors in the forest. Oh my goodness. Yo, this second one looks crazy though. Like, they have like a phone and stuff.
I've not looked at the second one yet. Let me go and check it out on the store page.
There's water creeping through the cave, so there's like more detail. The blood on the wall. You have to read the symbols.
GPS map. That's cool.
Oh, we gotta
The
chop down
graphics are
trees.
improved.
Oh, look at the rain on the wood when it's raining. Oh, wait, this may be worth it.
Let me add this to my wish list.
Spelunking. Ah.
Oh, the graphics look ace, don't they?
Yo. Yeah. Look at the waterfall. Okay, I don't want to show too much because I don't. Oh, is he attacking us? What the hell? Look like a zombie. Look at the sea turtles. Okay, I'm definitely putting this on the wish list. I'm curious what this is gonna say on Black Friday. Did you know how they do? I got that what's the name game last year for $2 instead of 40, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't add it to my wish list. I can only add it to cart. Oh no.
Add it to my wish list.
They tried it. They're like, let's make add to cart button obvious, and let's make the wish list blend in. Chat, I added it to my wish list because I want to see if it goes on sale for Black Friday. But other than that, I will buy it regardless. I want to buy that game. It looks fun. Definitely will be a fun game to play. Let's see, any other games? Oh, I still got that gym simulator game. House Flipper is okay. You gotta be in the mood to do it though, because it's really slow. That water park simulator started to put me to sleep. Dang, we need more games. Good morning, those of you just now coming in. What's up? What's up? You guys are just now joining us. Got 2 W's today. Over 100 points called again. What's the secret laboratory game? Is this free? Oh, I think, remember we installed a game, but then like the servers were down. I think that's that game.
I do vaguely remember that, yeah.
Let's see. I guess maybe I'll call it there. It's about to be 8 o'clock, huh? Alright, chat. We're gonna call it here. Got a lot of stuff I gotta do today, too. Alright, A7. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, no problem.
Hopefully that game goes on sale. Really looking forward to that.
I think Black Friday starts tomorrow, so that'd be cool.
Oh wait, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's
They're
Thursday,
starting it a week.
20th.
They're starting it a week
Yeah.
earlier.
Well, Amazon is. I don't know about everyone else. I know Amazon is.
Oh, I see a lot of people doing sales right now. And you know what I think they're doing? They're trying to get people to buy now, and then they'll do it even cheaper price.
It's probable, yeah.
Yep.
Most folk will do that, yeah.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna hop off of here. We'll see you tomorrow.
No worries, lass. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Alright, ta-da.